Coffee sponge roll. Looking for an elegant dessert? This coffee sponge roll is just the thing for your next get-together. To start, pop the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a 25 by 30 cm Swiss roll pan and line it with baking paper. Use an electric mixer to whisk the eggs and sugar in a large bowl for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the mixture is light and fluffy and doubled in size. Use a large metal spoon to fold in 2 tablespoons of the coffee. Sift the flour over the egg mixture and fold until well combined. Pour into the prepared pan. Pop in the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the top is dry to touch. Next, place a large piece of baking paper on a clean work surface. Sprinkle with the extra sugar. Turn the hot sponge onto the paper. Remove the baking paper from the top of the sponge. Then, using the paper as a guide and starting from one long end, roll the sponge into a log. Set it aside for 2 minutes to cool slightly, then unroll and re-roll the sponge like so. Transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the coffee cream, place the cream, icing sugar and coffee in a bowl. Use a clean electric mixer to whisk until you can see soft peaks forming. Unroll the sponge, brush with the remaining coffee and then spread 3/4 of the coffee cream over the sponge, leaving a 2 cm border at one long end. Roll up the sponge to enclose the filling, starting from the opposite end of the border. Then place on a serving plate. Top with the remaining coffee cream and decorate with coffee beans and shaved dark chocolate. A great recipe to master, this versatile coffee sponge roll is perfect when enjoyed with a cuppa or served as an impressive dessert.